Greetings everyone, welcome to Calvin Star. As you know, we are the leading manufacturer in Pan India and we are dealing in overseas as well. So here we come with a new product of ours, that is the PET bottle filling machine or soda filling machine as well. So this is our 100% made in India product. This is our base model and it is a semi-automatic model. Its production capacity is 3000 per day. I mean, you can fill 200 ml bottles and 3000 bottles in a day, right? This is a base model as I'm telling you, but we are making big plants as well, like BPM model, bottle per minutes model. Like if some customers want 1000 bottle per minute, so we can easily make that kind of plant also. Now I'm talking about the machine. So here's the soda tap and here's the syrup tap as well. This is for soda filling, this is for syrup filling for soft drink. But if some customer want only soda filling, so then we can easily remove syrup tank or syrup tap. We can put soda tap over here. If customer want 2 tap, we can put it. If customer want 3 tap, we can put it easily, right? Now if I'm talking about the machine overview, this is SS machine. I mean the body of the machine is SS304, that is food grade steel, because as you know, after the corona, hygiene is a highly concerned point. So we have to measure and we have to understand the requirement of the customer and take seriously of health issues, right? So now we have to make the soda as per the health measurement, right? Now I'm showing you, this is the CO2 cylinder what convert water into soda, and that its regulator, it can be easily measure the pressure or the coolness of soda or water. It is the syrup tank where we put this syrup. Currently we are putting black syrup over there. You can make like you can say cola or something flavor. That flavor and our machine's working process is like that we can easily beat big names in the market, right? I mean if I'm talking about the particular names, I'm not taking any particular names, but our quality of a soda, what I'm showing you right now, it can easily beat any brand. So now we are showing you how we prepare the 250 ml bottle. One more thing, in this machine we can prepare 250 ml, 500 ml, 750 ml, 1 liter, 1.5 liter or 2 liter as well. All bottles we can easily prepare. Just change the settings of the machine, right? Now we are showing you. This is our capping motor. Here we are taking soda. Now we are taking syrup. Now it's capping. As you can see, the bubbles pop out. It means your soda is perfect. Now we are filling the syrup in the machine. Now we are capping it. Your bottle is ready. It can easily beat any international brand in the market, is in India or out of India as well. I will assure you, like this product, you can see the bubbles. Wow, that can show how the soda and the syrup combination is perfect. Bubbles still pop out. You can see. Perfect level of sugar, perfect level of soda. Again we'll show you like that. See, right? And this is hygienic as well for the health, because now hygiene is a major concern to everyone in India or out of India both. I mean I can say in the world. Now this is the plain soda. The soda, I can say it can be easily beat a particular brand in the company or in India or in out of India, right? The bubbles still pop out. When I flip the bottle, I mean, more and more bubbles pop out. It shows the strongness and the perfection of soda, right? So this is our brand and this is our product. As we know, we never compromise with quality and service. And as you can see, this is our logo, Calvin Star, think beyond the future. So we always try to beat the brands, and we always remember that we have to give the quality and service to the customer wherever the customer is. Thank you. If you like this video, link is mentioned below in the description. Please like and share. If you like our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notification. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.